Hey, how you doing? Welcome back to As y'all can see, we at Bam's crib. Look at Bam. We at Bam's crib. We about to do some quick maintenance on the car. A lot of y'all see smoke coming from my car. Look at him. Yeah. But I know y'all see smoke coming out of my car. And all of that really is just carbon buildup. And now I'm going to finally address it. I got my liquids. I got seafoam. They didn't have seafoam at the store I went to pour into the tank, so I just got some injector cleaner, because that's really all seafoam does anyway when you pour it into the tank. Somebody can correct me if I'm wrong, but it does basically the same thing. So we're gonna seafoam our intake manifold, because I don't really know how to do it through the throttle body, and I don't really want to touch the throttle body. So yeah, it's gonna be a short one. All right, so we waiting on Adam, because I don't know who really follows this channel for real. Adam hasn't been in any of the videos for like the past like 10 or 12, 15 videos. So Adam upgraded and got a new car, so that's what we really waiting for. We've been here for like almost an hour now. But how this process is gonna go, I'm gonna start the car. I'm gonna take this hose out right here. I'm spraying the seafoam in. Bam, our stunt driver, he's going to be mashing the throttle to like 4,000, and the car is really loud, so y'all are pretty much going to hear it. The car is going to struggle to stay on because the vacuum hose is taken out while I'm spraying the seafoam, so obviously it's not going to like that, but it's not going to kill unless I spray too much. But I'm going to try and clear like half the bottle, like down here, and then afterwards you're supposed to like pour the rest of it of another can inside the gas tank. We don't have that, so we have our Lucas lubricant right there. So a straightforward process, and then I think you're supposed to let the car sit for like 10 minutes, and then you turn it on, and then I see other videos talk about gas coming out the back. I don't know, but hopefully it works. I don't think it's going to solve the smoking issue, but I think it's going to help it. I also think I need spark plugs and coil packs.
I'm sorry.
Because sometimes, like, I feel like when I be doing pulls, it'll bog out. Yeah, not sputter, but like you'll feel it in the power band. It'll like fall on his face, and then it'll pick back up. It's weird. So I feel like that has to do with my spark plugs and a retune. So, because I don't think when RR did the tune, they anticipated people like porting their manifolds. So it is what it is. We about to hop to it though. I don't know where. I don't know where Adam at.
I don't know where Plum Crazy Adam at. I don't know where he at.
But it's all good. Y'all gonna see Adam in a bit. There you got it.
I can't tell.
Oh my God, bro. That was, oh my gosh. I did not know my car was that loud from the outside.
Yeah, bro, you can't hear shit in here, dog. That's
It's
just
so,
not real.
son, it's not. I don't know if y'all saw it. He started revving it, and I wasn't ready for it. I'm like, why is it doing? Is he redlining? Like, what is he doing?
No, bro. I was at like 3K when you asked that.
Oh my God. He did that. I thought he was redlining. That's 4K. I was like, oh my gosh, that's not even like, he's just over halfway. Oh my gosh, that was scary. Woo! All right, it's not fun. I don't know. It doesn't look fun. I don't know if y'all think it looks fun.
Sound fun though.
It sounds very fun. It's not fun at all.
I definitely could be. Why are you not?
Nah, I can't. Nah, bro.
Now I see why people do it. I'm not condoning. I don't condone that behavior. But I don't condone that behavior. But I understand. I get it. You feel me?
Yeah, I feel you.
What we doing? 2.5?
Yeah, 2.5. You can do it now.
Where was you spraying that on?
Where rubber cemented.
Oh, right here?
Yeah, that's a brass fit because I broke the stop one off. It snapped off. When I had the strut tower on, it cut into the hose. That's why this looks like that. That's why there's tape on there, because that strut that was right here, it cut into the hose, and then it was pushing the oil filter into that fitting. That's now has been replaced. So that's lame. Whole lot of surgery had to get done. Whole lot of.
Oh, you gotta loop that out, my bad.
That's all right. We're professionals now. Yeah, We did the hard part. We did the hard part. It's the easy part. It's pouring in the Lucas. I think I have a 13-gallon tank. Okay, how much is that?
What's up?
Pour a little bit. A little bit more off the head top it. Come on. Appreciate the assist. Come on.
Giggity.
Giggity. Right bumper assist. Come on. Come on, man. Yeah. Fuel saver. Life savers. Come on, man. No smoke.
At least for now.
For now. I'm gonna let it sit.
I feel like that's a pretty good sign.
I feel like it's a good sign. Y'all wondering why this charger's on my battery. He had to save me. He been putting in work this last week. Man been putting in some work.
What?
My car died randomly after this random cold front came around. We had 10 days of fall and it went straight to winter. And then my car just did not start. And I was like, wow.
70.
Yeah, it's 70 today. It was 55 a couple days ago in the morning.
Like all last week.
All last week it was in the
All last
50s.
week.
So my car was having trouble starting and it finally gave out. So race battery video coming soon.